So, this is the hair. Hair is burgeoning hair. Like pure regrowth now.
Yeah.
Hair natin before is burgeoning hair. So, makikita mo siya na wala pa siyang dry, less dry. Then this is the shiny hair. But, if you can color, like bleaching, one color, film, band, yung magiging strands ng hair mo, or magiging texture ng hair mo is pwede maging ganito. So, yung mangyayari, yung cuticle ng hair mo is now open siya. Kaya siya nagkukos ng dryness. So, napipil mo na yung hair mo, nung kinukulayan siya, when it is the color, you feel the dry. Yeah. So, kapag hindi mo pa siya natigilan, or kapag every month mo siyang pinapagawa, pinapableach mo siya, yung pwede mangyari sa hair mo, it's pwede na siya maging ganito. So, pwede siyang mag-cause ng putol na, breakage.
Okay.
So, gusto mo siya unti-unting bumalik, yung hair mo, gagamitan mo siya ng product. So, may product ka ba na ginagamit sa hair mo?
Honestly, no. I've been trying to find good products for my hair that is compatible with my hair. So, yeah.
So, ito na ma'am, nahanap mo na yung good product. So, later, I explain ito for your hair.
Please. Yes.
So, ito yung product na kailangan natin sa hair natin. So, baka mag-brush siya, mag-fix siya. Kung kailangan lang natin siya ng anti-yellow, ha? So, familiar ka naman sa Pore shampoo?
No, actually.
Yeah, but still, kailangan mo nito, ha?
Okay.
So, ayun lang. Then, yung hair mask, then yung leave-on, marula oil, tapos yung mga other is shampoo conditioner na for your hair. Thank you so much!
Thank you.